Welcome to the installation instructions for the Rubbermaid Auto Flush Unit for urinals. Exclusive object lock technology sends out a continuous infrared beam that is reflected back by the presence of a person in front of the urinal or toilet. The Auto Flush urinal package includes the Auto Flush unit, a battery compartment wrench, a collar gasket, a collar wrench, and 4 C alkaline batteries. To begin the installation, using the supplied collar wrench, remove the handle from the flush valve. There is no need to turn off the water supply. Some flush valves with faulty air vent or recently flushed valve will spill a small amount of water that can be soaked up with a rag or sponge placed under the handle. After removing the battery compartment with the wrench, place the collar gasket into the large collar nut on the Auto Flush unit. Attach the Auto Flush unit where the handle was removed. Firmly tighten the collar nut with the supplied collar wrench. To activate the Auto Flush unit, remove the battery compartment and load batteries into the compartment tray. Then reinstall the battery tray into the Auto Flush unit. Batteries will normally work for 2 years or more, depending on the brand you use. Secure the tray with a battery compartment wrench. The last 3 turns of the wrench will activate the flush system in the Auto Flush unit. The Auto Flush unit has a 7-minute startup sequence in which the sensor will flash the user in view lights for 5 seconds to lock on the object. The Rubbermaid Auto Flush unit is now operational and comes preset from the factory. There is also a courtesy manual flush button for manual activation of flush when needed. The Auto Flush unit may be adjusted for sensor range, 24-hour flush, and audio tone for low batteries. To adjust the Auto Flush unit after activation, first remove the battery compartment and the cover, and then replace the battery compartment tray. The distance range is factory set for 32 inches. To reset the desired distance for auto flushing, take out the range adjustment tool. Press the sensor range reset button. Then, using the adjustment tool, turn the dial to plus for 36 inches or turn to the minus for 28 inches. Once the desired distance is set, step out of the front of the unit to ensure that the sensor is not flashing and detecting stall walls or doors. You may also set the 24-hour flush control, which activates the flush after every 24 hours of non-use to send a clean flush down the urinal. Moving the number 1 switch to off deactivates the 24-hour flush setting. If the internal audio tone alarm that goes off when batteries are low is not desired, move the number 2 switch to the off position. Once flush settings, audio tone, and range adjustment have been set, remove the battery compartment, replace the sensor adjuster tool and cover. Replace the battery compartment tray to reactivate the Auto Flush unit. Note that along with the audio tone alarm, if set, when the object lock sensor yellow light flashes, it's time to replace the batteries with 4 new C batteries. Once installation is complete, the Rubbermaid Auto Flush unit for urinals will provide effective hands-free use in every washroom environment. Another innovative hygiene solution from Rubbermaid Commercial Products.